Hello everybody, I'm Buck WSR Weezer. Today I'm coming at you with a question about this handheld blower by Echo. Let's see what it is here. It's the Echo PB-250LN, and the question for today is my handheld blower blowing strong enough? The reason this question has come to me is a customer delivered this to me and the fuel lines were broken. Don't know if they were rotted out or maybe chewed up by an animal, but I replaced the hoses and got it running again. I had to take the carburetor down to do that. There's no real adjustments on this carburetor, but I cleaned it out, put it back together. But the customer says that his blower is not blowing as strongly as it used to. So the question today is there any way to get this blowing more powerfully? Is it underpowered, in your opinion? So what I think I'll do is I'll start it up and let you take a look at what it does, and we'll see if we can do anything to improve the situation. Okay, let's try that again. Well, I don't know what you think, but that seems to work pretty good to me. Now, I never saw it running before I repaired it, but I know it's running now. It takes that first minute to get warmed up, and then it runs pretty good. Is that running strong enough, blowing hard enough, in your opinion? And is there any way to adjust it? That's what we're going to try to figure out right now. Now, one of the things that I was thinking about is, you can see when I pull the throttle trigger here, it pushes this bar out, and on the end of this bar is a wire that really is our throttle. It goes over to the carburetor. And I can lock the throttle at full throttle with this button right here. So when I do that, now I'm wondering, is this really at full throttle, or can I pull that cable out even further? And will it make any difference? So I'm going to fire it up, grab the end of the throttle cable here with a pair of needle nose pliers, and see if it'll run even faster, or if there's any way to adjust that. Well, that would be a negative. Attempting to grab this and pull it out further did nothing. So really, when this is at full throttle, that is as far as the cable will reach. I want to take this air cleaner off and just look inside and this throttle control above here and see if there's anything in there that could possibly be adjusted. Well, here's the carburetor removed, and I've zoomed in on this. I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but when I pull on this throttle cable here, it really does open just about as fully as it can go. So I don't know that there's really any adjustment we can make. That feels to me and looks to me like it's opening up properly as it should. So not really anything to adjust. Let's put it back together again and give it another shot. The only thing to do is this adjustment is your idle speed screw, but that's not going to affect the condition of it at full throttle. So let's put it back together and give it another shot. Well, I don't know if that's running as strong as it should or not. It seems to be running okay to me. All I know is it wasn't running when I got it, and now it is. Does it seem all right to you? I'd like to hear your thoughts and opinions on this, and if you've got some ideas on how to make it run better, I'd like to hear them. Or I'd like to know what you do in this situation. I'm glad you watched today. Thank you so much. Please leave a comment or a question. Love to hear from you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye.